Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm super excited because I am taking the 5 minutes no makeup challenge and I cannot wait to see the outcome. So let's dive in. So this is my face without makeup. So I have my timer right here of 5 minutes. So I am all set. So I'm just gonna start the timer and I'm so nervous and excited. So let's get started. On the count of three, two, one, go. So I am using a skin tint. Okay, so I'm gonna take a little and then I'm gonna add like the Lakme ka Lumi cream. I'm just going to blend this all in and just apply it on my face. Do I look like a ghost right now? Let's. Like 1 minute is already gone. I think I'm good. I'm quickly gonna apply the concealer, not too much, little. Oh my god, I have to be super quick. Yeah, we really need to blend in. I think this is good. Okay, I think I'm just gonna do my brows. Set all in. Oh my god, I thought this is gonna be super easy. I think I am almost there, but okay. Now I think I'll just jump to the lip. It's 2 minutes 30 seconds. What's next? So I'm just putting a blush. Let's see. Oh, I've taken too much, Lydia, but it's fine. Oh, okay, we have time. Oh, we just have 1 minute 50 seconds left. I think I'm good. And then just quickly manage. Yeah, बहुत डर लगता है मुझे. Okay. I think we are good. I still have around a minute. Okay, I still have 1 minute, so I think I'm just gonna fix the thing. I am going to apply more blush because I love it. Okay, 42 seconds. Okay, I think I'm good. I don't know. Probably I'll just mix another lipstick. And to set it all in, because we have 29 seconds left, I'm just gonna take this. Just gonna pat it. still have 15 seconds left. We still have 11 seconds left. And what do you think? Ta-da! So it's this. Okay. So time's up, and I think I did pretty good job. So I do get ready pretty fast, and I thought it would be like apt for me to take this challenge. I was so excited, but I was also nervous because I've never timed it, but I knew in my mind that I do get ready fast. So see, I just proved myself, and I think it's so good. So yeah, I'm very, very excited, very, very happy. It will take a while to like settle in all of those, but I hope you enjoyed this video. And for such challenges, do subscribe to my challenge, and I also encourage you all to take up this challenge and tag me. You can tag me on Instagram, or you can tag me on YouTube, and probably I can also have a look. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Love, love.